All right, let's talk about adding students. There's actually two ways to add students. One of the easiest ways, and I like to say that this is Edmodo-like, is just to post your class code and to give your students that class code, and I'll show you in just a second how they can join. You can also reset that class code so that it changes into randomly generated code. And that, again, that's just like Edmodo if you've ever used it before. Or you can disable this option if you want to be more granular about how students are put in there, or once your enrollment is complete. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this again, and we have our class code right here. The other way that you can go in there is you can actually invite specific students, and let me close this. You can invite specific students, and what that's going to do is it'll look through your contacts, or it can look through the directory of your domain. And so I can actually go through here and search for specific students and add them in and send them an invite. And that student was my daughter, so I'm picking on her. And so I can see that she's been invited, but I can also tell that she's not accepted it yet. So there's two ways. I can actually go in and click on the students, or I can have them go in with the class code. Let's look at how a student would go in with the class code in this next little segment here. To give you an idea of what the students will see, or if you want to do a professional development course, what other teachers may see when they go in to join a class, I'm going to demo that for you. I'm going to click on the plus, except this time I'm going to select join class. And this is where I'd enter that code. You remember this from the previous screen. I'm going to click join, and it's going to think, and then here I am. I'm in the classroom that we created previously. Now though, when I look, I can see my classmates, and of course the one student that we had invited has not yet accepted, so there's no other classmates in there. But I can message my classmates. There's a lot of cool little different interfaces that we'll look at for the students. But that's how the students join. So let's go back and look at some more of the features using the teacher view in the next video.